Hello, everybody. It's me, John. I'm here to talk to you guys about comparative advantage. There's been a little bit of construction outside my house, so if it gets a little noisy, I'm really sorry. Yeah. Um, I don't know why it says Econ 10A, all that stuff really small, but it does. So we're gonna get started with comparative advantage. We're gonna do the definition in this video, and I'm gonna do another video where I show you guys like a big example. So this one should be really quick. Really quick, I want you guys to recall absolute advantage. I really hope that you guys watched that video right before this one, or at least make sure you watch it first and then get to this one. And here's a quick definition, a reminder, just so you guys have that if you watched it 2 days ago or whatever. So absolute advantage is the ability of a person to produce a greater quantity of a good product or service than another person in the same time frame or whatever your frame of whatever is. But wait, what if one person is better at producing both goods? Will the two people still trade? That's what comparative advantage is here to talk to you about. These trades happen. An example, professors and lawyers still hire TAs and paralegals, even though they are much better at producing lessons and stuff and paralegal stuff and legal stuff than the people that are hired. They do this because of comparative advantage. Comparative advantage is when you evaluate costs using opportunity costs instead of real costs. If you're looking at producing two goods, the opportunity cost is how much of good B you could produce for every unit of good A you do produce. Here's an example really quick. Let's say person one can produce 4 of good A per hour or 4 of good B per hour. And then person two can produce 2 of good A per hour or 1 of good B per hour. The opportunity cost of good A is how many units of good B can be produced per unit of good A produced. So here I did a quick little comparing. You have the first table, which is the absolute advantage, absolute costs. So you see person one can do 4 good A per hour, 4 good B per hour. Person two can do 2 good A per hour, 1 good B per hour. And then the second one, I have the opportunity costs. So you can see you do 4 over 4, 4 of good A divided by 4 of good B per hour. You get 1 unit of good B per unit of good A. Same thing for both good A and good B for person one. Then for person two, you do 1 good B divided by the 2 good A's that you're producing in the hour, and you get half. So every 1 unit of good A is half a unit of good B. But every 1 unit of good B costs person two 2 hours that could have been used towards making good A. So we can see that it costs person two less to produce good A by opportunity cost, but it costs them more to produce good B. So person two has the comparative advantage in good A because of their lower opportunity cost, and person B has the comparative advantage in good. Person two has the comparative advantage in good B because of their comparative advantage. I'm going to be doing a longer example where I explain everything more in detail. I'll be drawing graphs. I'll be showing more tables and walking you through it step by step in the next video. I just wanted to make this one really quick so you guys have the definition, and then you can also watch the example just if you need to rewatch the video or whatever. Thank you. Have a great day.